Hello guys, I am Udit Karman here. Today I am going to tell about how to make animated video in PC or in phone. This is me. Let's go. We use Animaker. Animaker is a web and a app which we are used for making animated video. This web is also run in Android. This is a link of this web www.animaker.com. Let's go to make the video. Okay. Let's hooray. We are making a video. I write animaker.com, animaker.com, this over here, click here. This is a site animaker.com. Okay, create a first video, click here. I also log in this site, so I sign out for few people. Wait for a few minutes. I sign with Google, my account. And here is a signing in. It's loading. Wait for a few minutes. Click here, blank page. Wait for a few minutes. This happened. So our site is gone and we are able to make a video. This is my character. I make this character with own. You also make this character from here. My character, click on my character. I choose this character. Or you also choose this character here. And you delete this character. Like this. This is background. This is text. This is properties, means shapes. You see this? This is shapes, and I choose a background for my video. I choose this background for my video and here. Okay. And there is a very many types, very many avatars for one character, more than 500. Okay, I choose waving hand. I choose a sound. You also record the sound, text the sound, and upload the sound from your file or PC. I text hello guys. Hello guys. You also here take a break, and this is a breath. You choose from your desire. I play this.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. This type. I 0 and play.
Hello guys.
Okay. I sign in. You see this audio is here, and I add one more character. For adding one more character, you go there and choose the character that you want to. I want this. Then I tick. From here, this is 1 second now. So there and there. Yes, I take the correct one and apply. Scene 1
Hello guys.
and this type of video make. After 1 second the avatar is changed. Okay, and I choose one more sound. Try the text speech. I am Judith. Come on. Okay.
I am Udit Carmen.
And sign. Okay. The sound is here. I leave it here. And you see.
Hello guys. I am Udit Carmen.
And also you plus more to more character to 1. Okay. I click on plus sign and add this character 4. And this I show here and take it, apply. You see the sound and apply this video. More than 2 seconds. You see there, more than 2 seconds the sound is ERWNB, more than 2 seconds and half of 2 seconds. Here I set this is also here, this scene.
Hello guys. I am Udit Carmen.
And I add a shape. I go in shape, properties means, and choose a whiteboard and there. You also, on clicking plus sign, you add 1 second in your video, and on clicking minus sign, you minus 1 second from your video. I minus my video in by 1 second because this is a tutorial. Okay, and I see this and I add a text on this. You choose the text with your desire. I choose this, and this is here, new desktop. We fit in this and right here. How to remake guide. Okay, this is from 3 seconds. Okay, this is wrong. This is from 3 seconds. Then we choose a more sound. I use this and I write. Okay. Okay, I choose here and 1 minute break, and here 0.0 second break and play it.
Today, I am going to tell how to make animated video.
Okay, let's sign. Wait for 1 minute. And here is my audio. Is from there. And this is C.
Hello guys, I am Udit Carmen. Today, I am going to tell how to make animated video.
And this is all done. You choose more things from your choice. This is the more items. This will make stickers, okay? Pre-built templates. You choose this, and this is background. This is images, and you also upload image, sound, or more thing from your own PC. Here is a sign of upload. This is very simple to make an animated video in Animaker. From here, you rename your video. I rename it this by animated video. First animated video. First animated video. Okay. And this is. And then it's a question how to save this video in a gallery or in a PC. Here is a sign of publish, and here is an option of download. You download this video in your own choice. Here's a. I am very regular customer of this web. Then this web is saying to me for upgrading. But when you go on this web, here is a download option, and you download your video in your PC. Okay. Thank you. Like and subscribe video.